Alright, this is the service elevator here at the Castle Hotel in Orlando. It's a Fujitec as well. Don't know if I'm gonna get a ride on it, but I'm gonna try. I am staying here. It's literally in a public area. As you can see, it's in a laundry and vending room. Here it is. Look at that. Interlock. Whoa, don't shut. Naughty elevator. When the Fujitec wants to close, it really wants to close. Let's go to lobby. Lobby. 9. Oh, so sorry. Whoops. Oh, I'm going up. Well, got lucky. No stops. That's the interlock, and there's your Fujitec logo, and let's call it. There it goes. And that's gonna be it.